In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see traffic source in Mixpanel. To get started, open Mixpanel and go to your board. This is the main place where you can add reports and explore your data in a more visual way. If you already have a board set up, great. If not, just open the one where you want to review your traffic information. Once you're there, take a moment to look over the page so you know where everything is. Next, scroll all the way down on the board. Depending on how much content is already on the page, you may need to scroll a bit before you reach the bottom. What you're looking for is the option to add new content. When you see it, click Add Content. This is how you insert a new report into the board so you can start analyzing the data you need. After that, choose Insights Report. This report type is useful because it lets you explore event data in a flexible way, and it gives you several options for organizing and comparing information. Once the Insights report opens, move to the Metrics section. Here, click All Events. This is the area where Mixpanel lets you define what event data you want to analyze. From there, look for the Breakdown option and click it. This is the key part if you want to understand traffic source or organize your results by a specific property. The breakdown feature allows you to split your data into categories, making it easier to see patterns and understand where activity is coming from. When you open the breakdown menu, you'll see different ways the data can be broken down. For example, you may see options like first seen, frequency per user, and more. These options help you view the data from different angles depending on what kind of insight you're trying to get. If your goal is to understand traffic source, this is the place where you would select the most relevant breakdown available for your setup. Take your time here and review the available choices carefully because the breakdown you select will change how the report is displayed. This can make a big difference in how easy it is to interpret your results. Once you choose the breakdown you want, Mixpanel will organize the report based on that selection, giving you a clearer view of your incoming traffic data. And that's it. That's how you can start checking traffic source in Mixpanel using an Insights report on your board.